Hi everyone, got a blink white light on your Spectrum modem? Don't stress, in this video we will explain why it's happening and show you simple steps to fix it. Let's dive in. Loose or faulty cable connections. A loose or damaged cable can prevent the modem from connecting to the internet. Internet outage. There may be an outage in your area affecting connectivity. Modem damage. Internal damage to the modem can lead to connectivity issues. Firmware issues. The modem may require a firmware update or may be stuck during an update process. Overheating. If the modem is overheating, it may not function properly. Fix 1. Check power and connections. A loose or damaged cable can prevent the modem from properly connecting to the internet service. If the coaxial cable is not securely connected to the wall outlet or the modem, it can disrupt the signal needed for internet access. Inspect all cables connected to the modem, especially the coaxial and Ethernet cables. Ensure they are securely connected and not damaged. Replug and unplug the cables. You can also check the connection by directly connect the Ethernet cable to the laptop from the modem. If you find any issues, replace the damaged cables. Fix 2. Internet outage. There may be a temporary service outage in your area due to maintenance or technical issues. During an outage, your modem will struggle to establish a connection, resulting in a blinking white light. Use the Spectrum app or website to check. I have provided the link in the description. You can directly go through it. If there are any reported outage in your area, they might be affecting your service. Click Chat with us button and click I'm in an outage option. Fix 3. Power cycle the modem. Unplug the modem from the power source. Wait for about 12 minutes before plugging it back in. Power cycling your modem can help reset any temporary glitches that might be causing connectivity issues. Fix 4. Change coaxial cable port. There might be issue with the port where the coaxial cable connected to the modem. Check both incoming and outgoing connection. If applicable, try connecting the coaxial cable to a different port on your wall outlet. This can help determine if there is an issue with the original port that is affecting signal reception. Fix 5. Overheating. If the modem is placed in a poorly ventilated area or has accumulated dust, it can overheat. Overheating can lead to performance issues and prevent the modem from establishing a stable connection. Disconnect any unnecessary devices from the network temporarily to reduce the load on the modem. This can help lower its operating temperature. Unplug the modem from the power source and leave it unplugged for half a day. This allows it to cool down before plugging it back in. Fix 6. Firmware issues. The modem may require a firmware update to operate efficiently. If the firmware is outdated or if there was an interruption during an update, it can cause connectivity problems. Spectrum generally pushes firmware updates automatically to their provided modems. Type 192.168.1.1 or http spectrum.router in the address bar and press enter. Log in using the admin username and password. The default is often admin for the username and password for the password unless you changed them. Look for in a section called Administrations. Find the option for firmware update. If there is an option to check for updates, click it. If not, your modem may check automatically when rebooted. If an update is available, follow the prompts to download and install it. Wait for the modem to reboot automatically after the update. Fix 7. Modem damage. Internal hardware damage or failure can prevent the modem from functioning correctly. Contact Spectrum customer support for further assistance or to discuss potential replacement options. Before calling, note down your account number, modem model, and any error messages or symptoms you have observed like blinking lights. Dial 833-224-6603 to reach Spectrum customer service. This is their main support line for technical issues. Ask to schedule a technician visit to diagnose and fix any potential wiring or signal issues. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.